Hey friends, what is going on? Stay tuned here with Learn Code Simply. Moreover, in this video tutorial, we are going to understand the fundamental concept of operator in JavaScript. So let's start the video. And so, in the previous couple of videos of this entire JavaScript playlist, we have seen what common data types are, and we also saw DOM. DOM is a document object model, and if you have missed those videos, you can check it out in this playlist, which I shared in the description. Now, coming to the today's topic, that is operator in JavaScript. So, since this is a very big level tutorial, we are going to be taking a little bit of theory, and then we will jump to the practical part. Then we will see also a program. Let us take a simple expression 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Here 6 and 4 are called operands and plus is called the operator. Now hope you clear what is operator. And JavaScript supports the following types of operator. You can see on the screen. First is arithmetic, second is comparison operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and conditional operator. Conditional operator is important here because I also explain it in the React playlist. If you want to learn the React, then there is one video where I discuss about the conditional operator. So let's have a look on all the operator one by one. Now we will go one by one, starting off from the arithmetic operator till the bitwise operator. Okay, so these are the arithmetic operators available in JavaScript. We have plus, minus, multiplication is a star. Then we have division, modules, increment and decrement. Okay, so these are used to arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic calculation. For example, see on the screen, const number equals to 3 plus 5. Here plus operator is used to add two operands. Here the plus is an operator and 3 and 5 are two operands. Let's now see comparison operator. So JavaScript supports the following comparison operator. First is the equal. If the value of two operands are equal or not, if yes, then the condition becomes true. Second is not equal. If the value of two operands are equal or not, if the values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. Third is greater than. If the value of the left operand is greater than the value of right operand, if yes, then the condition becomes true. Less than. If the value of the operand is less than the value of the right operand, if yes, then the condition becomes true. And greater than or equal to, if the value of the left operand is greater or equal to the value of the right operand, then the condition becomes true. And the last is the sixth one, less than or equal to. So if the value of the left operand is less than or equal to the value of the right operand, if yes, then the condition becomes true. So see on the example the following code, how to use a comparison operator in JavaScript. You can see on that the A and B is false, A, second is a true, false, true, false. So set of variables with different values and different operators. Next is JavaScript logical operator. Logical operators perform logical operation and return a Boolean value. Either it's a false or true. For example, you can see on the screen there's a constant. I declare a const x equals to 5 and y is 3. So x is, there's also a condition. If the condition is passed, then the output will be a true. And if it's not, then the false. So the condition is true, then the output will be the true. And here is the logical operand. There's a and is a logical operand. And since both x is smaller than 6 and y is smaller than 5 are true, the result is true. There are some operators, see on the screen. There is a logic and, logical or and logical not. Logical and, true if both the operands are true, else return false. Second is logical or, true if either of the operand is true, return false if both are false. Logical not, true if the operand is false and vice versa. So these are the logical operators are used in decision making and loops. You will learn about the logical operators more details in the more tutorials where I will share the programs. Logical operator, which are used in comparison, and again they are used to test for true and false values. So we have generally used them in if else and all those control statements which we will see in future videos. You don't need to be worrying about all these. We are obviously going to take a look at them in details in future videos. The next is assignment operator, which is used to assign values to JavaScript variable. So there are assignment operators. JavaScript includes assignment operator to assign values to variable with less keystroke. Assignment operators are shown on the screen. So equals to is used to assign the values. Plus equals to is used to sum up left and right operands and assign the result to the left operand. Minus equals to is same as a subtract right operand value from the left operand value and assign the result to the left operand. Multiply equals to multiply left and right operand values and assign the result to the left operand. And then the divide equals to is used for divide left operand value by left operand value and assign the result to the left operand. And the last one is get the modules of the left operand, divide by right operand and assign resulted modules to the left operand. So it's a percentage sign. There are some examples on the screen is also shown. The first example is simple assignment is the C equals to A plus B will assign the value of A and B into C. The second example is C plus equals to C equals to C plus A. The third one is minus subtract and assignment. So in this example is C minus equals to A is equivalent to C equals to C minus A, as I told in the definition. And multiply and assignment in the fourth one is it multiplies the right operand with the left operand. So example is C equals C multiply and assignment A is equals to C into A. And divide and assignment, the example is the equivalence to C equals to C divided by A. And modules and assignment, the sixth one is the modules and assignment. It takes modules and using two operands. So example is C modules equals to, so it is equivalent to the C equals to C percentage. I hope the assignment operators is clear to you. The next will be the ternary operators. Now the next is ternary operator. JavaScript includes a special operator called ternary operator that assign a value to a variable based on some condition. This is like short form of if-else condition. I hope you are familiar with the if-else condition. So you can see the syntax on the screen. And ternary operator starts with a condition expression followed by question mark operator. And the second part is after question mark and before colon operator will be executed if condition turns out to be true. If condition becomes false, then third part after colon will be executed. As you see on the screen, there's an example variable A equals to 100 and B equals to 50. So the in the next line variable C, where there is a condition, variable C equals to A is greater than B, A is B. So value of C would be 100 here. And in the third line variable D equals to, there's again a condition. So the value of D would be 50. So point to be remembered here is JavaScript includes operators that perform some operation on single or multiple operands data value to produce a result. JavaScript includes various category of operators like arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and conditional operator. All are we discussed earlier. And the third is a ternary operator. It's a question mark colon is a conditional operator. As I told before, it is very important if you want to learn the React. There's a ternary condition, conditional So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and more share with your friends.